Olive oil is a common ingredient in many kitchens, and you've likely used it in your cooking for a long time. However, have you ever wondered about the journey of olive oil from the olive tree to the bottle in your pantry? It's a process that's both intricate and fascinating, more so than you may think. Stay tuned to learn about the intriguing process of making olive oil in a factory. We begin our exploration amidst the lush olive groves of Spain, where the ideal climate and fertile soil have established the country as a leader in olive oil production. With Spain responsible for an astonishing 45% of global olive oil output, it's clear why this nation is a giant in the industry. Annually, Spain produces a massive 1.5 million tons of olive oil, significantly surpassing Italy's production of 0.6 million tons, and Greece's 0.36 million tons. The prime time for harvesting these olives is November, a period when they reach the perfect stage of ripeness, ensuring the finest quality oil. 1. Harvesting olives. Harvesting olives is a process that beautifully blends tradition with technology. While traditional hand-picking methods are still cherished for their gentle touch and selectivity, modern machines have been integrated to increase efficiency and yield. The key goal is to transport the olives to the factory when they are at their freshest and most flavorful. The timing of the harvest is critical. Olives picked too early or too late can significantly affect the oil's taste and quality. This process also involves skilled laborers who can expertly determine the right stage of ripeness for harvesting. Moreover, careful handling during harvesting is crucial to prevent bruising of the olives, which can lead to oxidation and a decline in oil quality. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the best olives make their way to the oil production stage, maintaining high standards of olive oil quality. 2. Transport and cleaning. After being harvested, the olives are swiftly transported to the factory, ensuring minimal time lapse to preserve their freshness and natural flavors. At the factory, the first step is a thorough sorting process. This involves removing any damaged or subpar olives, as well as foreign materials like leaves and twigs that could compromise the oil's purity and taste. The cleaning process is meticulous, involving washing the olives to remove any dirt or residue. It's a delicate balance to clean effectively without damaging the olive's skin or flesh. This step is vital for ensuring that only the best quality olives proceed to the oil extraction stage. Additionally, this cleaning process also helps in maintaining the equipment used in later stages, ensuring that the entire production line stays efficient and hygienic. The attention to detail in this phase lays the groundwork for producing olive oil of the highest standard. 3. Crushing and grinding. At this stage, the olives undergo a crucial transformation. They are crushed into a paste, a process that breaks down the cells and releases the oil. Modern crushing equipment is designed to handle this task efficiently while preserving the quality of the oil. The grinding process is not just about extracting the maximum amount of oil. It's also about maintaining the oil's natural flavor and aroma profiles. The fineness of the paste is carefully controlled, since it can significantly impact the oil extraction efficiency and quality of the final product. Additionally, this stage is where the characteristics of the olive oil begin to form, influenced by factors like the olive variety, ripeness, and the specific techniques used in crushing and grinding. This step is a balance between tradition and innovation, with each producer adding their unique touch to create distinct flavors and qualities in their olive oil. 4. Malaxation. The malaxation phase is a critical part of the olive oil production process, where the crushed olive paste is slowly mixed. This careful stirring allows the tiny oil droplets to merge, enhancing the efficiency of oil extraction. The duration and temperature of the malaxation process are meticulously controlled, as they play a significant role in determining the quality and characteristics of the olive oil. Too much mixing can lead to oxidation, affecting the oil's flavor and aroma, while insufficient mixing might result in lower oil yield. This step also influences the oil's chemical composition, impacting factors like acidity and polyphenol content, which are essential for the oil's health benefits and shelf life. Additionally, malaxation is where the artistry of the producer can shine, with different techniques leading to unique textures and flavors in the oil. This stage is a delicate balance of science and sensory expertise, ensuring that the resulting olive oil meets the highest standards of quality and taste. 5. Oil extraction. The oil extraction phase is where the true essence of the olive is captured. In this stage, the olive paste is placed in centrifuges, which spin at high speeds. This process efficiently separates the oil from the water and solid components of the paste. The centrifugation method is highly effective, ensuring that the maximum amount of oil is extracted while preserving its purity and essential qualities. The precision of this process is key. Too much force can cause the oil to emulsify, affecting its clarity and quality, while too little force might leave valuable oil unextracted. Modern centrifuges are equipped with advanced technology that allows for precise control over the extraction process. This step also plays a crucial role in determining the oil's final flavor profile and texture. The extracted oil is then carefully collected, ensuring that none of its natural goodness is lost. This stage showcases the blend of traditional olive oil making principles with cutting-edge technology, resulting in an oil that is both pure and packed with flavor. 6. Quality testing and storage. In the quality testing and storage phase, ensuring the excellence of the olive oil is paramount. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing where experts assess its taste, aroma, and purity. These tests include analyzing the oil's acidity levels and checking for any defects that might affect its quality. This scrutiny guarantees that only the best olive oil reaches the consumer. Once approved, the oil is transferred to large storage tanks. These tanks are typically made of stainless steel or coated in food-grade materials to prevent any reactions that could alter the oil's properties. The storage environment is carefully controlled, with temperature and light exposure kept to optimal levels to preserve the oil's freshness and prevent oxidation. This storage phase is crucial as it helps maintain the oil's character and nutritional value until it's ready for bottling. Additionally, this period allows the oil to settle, ensuring that any remaining impurities are removed, further refining its quality. This step reflects the commitment to quality that is at the heart of olive oil production. 7. Bottling and packaging. The bottling and packaging stage is where the olive oil is prepared for its journey to consumers. In this final step, the oil is carefully filled into bottles, ensuring that the integrity of the product is maintained. The bottling process is typically done in a sterile environment to prevent any contamination that could affect the oil's taste and shelf life. Each bottle is then labeled with important information, including the type of olive oil, its origin, and the best before date, providing transparency and assurance to consumers. The packaging design often reflects the brand's heritage and quality, making it stand out on the shelves. Additionally, the choice of bottle material, whether glass or food-grade plastic, is crucial as it protects the oil from light and air exposure, which can degrade its quality over time. This stage is not just about aesthetics, it's a crucial part of ensuring that the olive oil reaches the consumer in its best possible state, preserving all the flavors, aromas, and health benefits that make olive oil a valued addition to any meal. So this is the story of olive oil. From sun-kissed groves to the neatly packaged bottles that find their way to your kitchen, we've witnessed the meticulous care, the harmony of tradition with technology, and the deep passion infused into every drop of this liquid gold. Remember, each time you use olive oil, whether drizzling it over your favorite dish or cooking with it, you're part of a journey that spans nature's bounty, human dedication, and rich culinary heritage. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration into the world of olive oil. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful insights into how your beloved foods are brought to life. Until we meet again, keep relishing the diverse flavors our world has to offer.